Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Honor. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Then select Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it. Now, to add your alarm, click on this plus icon. Then set up an hour. When you finished, click on Repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to apply. In my case, Fridays and maybe Wednesdays. When you finished, choose OK at the bottom right corner. Now click on Sound section and choose Allow in the pop-up in order to continue. You have a couple of options from here. You can set up one of your classic ringtones by tapping on the best one and going back, like Forest Whispers. You can also tap on Music on Device, select Song from your smartphone and go back as well. And even tap on Vibration section located at the top. From it, you can tap on one of those vibration patterns and apply the best one for you. You can also disable it by selecting None. Finally, go back again, choose Label, and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then tap on OK. You can also tap on ring duration to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring. I will go with 20. Last but not least, tap on snooze duration and swipe left or right on those two sliders to adjust how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. To save your changes, click on OK. To save your alarm, select this check mark at the top right corner of it. So when I click, as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to make some changes, click on it, change wherever you wish to, and discard them by tapping on top left corner, or save them by clicking on top right one. If you wish to delete your alarm completely, click on it again, but this time select Delete option at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!